Hello, how are you? Today we're going to make Southern style sweet tea. I grew up in Alabama, still live there, and we take our tea very seriously in the South. We always drink it iced, and it's always pretty sweet and pretty strong actually. So this tutorial will be how we do that in the South. I use about 6 cups of water and 3 family size or 6 regular size tea bags. You never want your water to boil. You let it heat on about medium heat till it steeps. And I usually leave mine on the stove about 10 minutes maybe. I'll watch it pretty close though. Don't let it boil. And then you can turn the water off and just let it sit for a while. I like to use Lipton tea bags or Louisiana or Tetley, but any brand will work. It's the method more than the brand to me. While the tea is steeping, I add 1 3/4 cup of sugar to the gallon jug. I just use a funnel and get it in there. Sometimes people use even 2 cups down here. It's just all in what you like. Alright, next you're going to remove your tea bags from the tea and just discard those. And then you're going to put your jug in the sink because it's just neater that way. Use your funnel and you're going to add your warm tea to the sugar. Alright, next I'm going to add my warm tea to the jug of sugar. And once it's added, I recap the tea and shake it so that the warm tea will mix and dissolve the sugar completely. Next, we're going to begin filling our jug with cold water to the top. Alright, as you're filling with water, when you get closer to the top, turn your water down lower. Tea makes a lot of foam at the top, and this will kind of cut down on that so it's not so much. Alright, when you have it full, recap it and shake it just enough to blend it a little bit and get everything mixed real well. Then it's done and you serve it over ice. This jug will keep in the refrigerator about 3 days and it's absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoy this as much as we do. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.